Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock in your Motorola One Vision, I recommend you to go to the Google Play Store and get the Opera Mini browser. If you wonder why, right now I'm going to show you. You don't have to download any external application and connect it to your browser. Just get this browser, and if you install, just open it. Right now click on the continue, tap on the allow and continue. And right now when we're going for our website HardReset.Info or any other website that you want to go and just block the ads, you will find the notification, and here it is that we blocked the ads, and this is thanks to the partnership with AdBlock Plus. And when we click right here, you can find how many ads were blocked, and also you cannot find here any ads even when you go for the other section. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.